This is little Moose here. He's got that new GPS collar on. As you can see, he's used to wearing it. He had just the style without the GPS on before, and he would always wander into the road. So, but now with the GPS part, he doesn't wander into the road anymore because he knows he's gonna get beeped. So let's go out by the road. We got several acres here, so he has plenty of room to roam while I'm out doing farm chores. So, all right, here we go. We're walking towards the road. Let's see what he does. All right, here we come up to the, getting close to where the GPS, and look at that. And he is coming back. He does not want to be by that road anymore. So this definitely is working on my dog. So if you guys are in the market for a GPS collar, go ahead and get this one. You're gonna love it because it'll keep your dog confined to your property.